Hello kiddos, how are you? Hope you all are doing great at your homes. Good. So let's revise first the few concepts that you have done already. Like you have done the use of this and that. Do you remember the use of this and that? Yes. And same way you have done the concept of one and many. So I have one question for you. Can you tell me what is the plural form of this? Or you can say what is the many of this? Yes, think and tell me quickly. What is the many of this? Yes, these. And what is the many of that? Think quickly. Those. One more. What is the many of is? What is the many of is? Are. Very good. So now it is clear to you. You are familiar with the concept of one, many also and this and that also. So now let's move forward. Today we will talk about the use of these and those. So you tell me first, what is this? Yes, spoon. So tell me, if one thing is near us, then what we use? What we use if one thing is near us? Yes, we use this. Then how will we frame the sentence for this? This is. Yes, what will come next? This is a spoon. So if one thing is near us, then we use this. Then we framed the sentence, this is a spoon. But now, come here. Now what are these? Spoons. Many spoons are there, more than one. So if many things are near us, then what we use? If one thing is near us, we used this. If many things are near us, what is the many of this? Yes, these. So we will use these. What is the many of is? Are. So these are spoons. One spoon, many spoons. So if one thing is near us, then we use this. And many things are near us, then these. The same way, I have placed a book there. So what is that? What is that? That is a book. So one thing is far away from us, then we use that. That is a book. Because it was one book, so I have put book here. That is a book. But what if I will put more books far away? Now many books are far away. Then what will we use? What is the many of that? Those. What is the many of is? Are. What is the many of book? Books. So I will write, those are books. I hope it is clear to you. Keep one thing in your mind. If one thing is near us, then we use this is. And if many things are near us, then these are. And if one thing is far away from you, then that is. And if many things are far away from you, then those are. So it is time for you to do practice. Bye bye. See you.